And then we are going to be greasing down our first slide. And then we'll put that up on top. And then I always like to put these in a couple threads just to kind of grip before I tighten everything down. And then here's the other slide. Put some more brake grease on there. I like using that stuff. Pretty awesome. Couple threads in place. Now comes the fun part about putting the spring back in. And what I like to do is get it on this part first. Get it onto the bracket on the top. And then we're going to be moving it into place here. And then with the help of a needle, get this bottom spring in. And kind of keep your finger on it. And then you're going to bend the other spring part around with your needle nose. And then it's basically in place. And you use a screwdriver to kind of make sure everything is pushed in all the way. Okay, I think we're good there. So, that's good. Okay, let's tighten up these slide bolts in the back. Okay, put our two dust covers on, push them in, and then just a quick inspection, take a look at it, make sure you clean your rotor off, or if you're replacing it, same thing, you spray it down so you get any of the packing grease off of that. But anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.